Jason Abraham, the Shadow Teacher. And as a performer, you hear the old cliche that the last thing you want to hear is the sound of crickets. But I tell you, when I'm doing my morning meditation, there's nothing that I find more soothing than the sound of crickets. And hopefully you can still hear them. I'm sort of on the edge of when traffic starts to rev up, but I try to get out here in a sweet spot. And right now, you'll hear this beautiful little hum in the background. This nice frequency resonance. And then sometimes you'll hear the overlay of the mourning dove and the songbirds, and we have like this nice symphony of nature, which is a nice soundtrack to my sun gazing. And like Nikola Tesla said, everything is frequency and vibration. And when you go out and you deal with harmful frequencies, the manufactured frequencies of the world, then it's really important to reconnect with these natural frequencies and sit with them long enough to absorb their healing properties. And thankfully, I got a nice little sweet spot in my backyard. If I get up early enough and I'm consistent about it, I can do it. And I start my day right. So, I'm just going to be quiet, let you enjoy a little bit. Be well, my friends.